everyone. So this is me at your screen. So today is October 28 yata. Wait, let me check. It's October 26 today, and our board exam will be on November 9 and 10, and sa Baguio ako mag-exam. So yesterday, I just got home with Danica with our own house kasi meron ding bagyo, and our next following classes are online. So supposed to be tapos na siya, but meron kaming mga na-miss and hindi pa mga narasyo na subjects. So I just, plan to film it because to those people who's watching my YouTube channel is napapansin nyo, nag-upload ako ng one or twice na video about sa Baguio, but hindi ko siya mapanindigan. There's a lot of changes, especially you should be mindful in time management. So, ang dami-dami talagang changes. But then, I was very thankful to God's guidance and God's grace kasi almost 5 to 6 months na din and matatapos na siya this November 9 and 10. And ang daming changes, ang daming adjustments, personally, individually, like yung relationship with the family, and to my loving boyfriend who's very understanding and caring at the same time. And I must say that hindi ko talaga parang minsan merong low days, may blues doon sa Baguio, and ang daming nagbago. Like me, physically look, I do gain weight. Like if you're watching my other vlogs, I always do workouts, but then for the past 5 months, hindi ko talaga maisingit na constant, hindi ko siya maisingit na tuloy-tuloy. But then pag may time ako, ginagawa ko siya because that's part of me, like doon maghinga-hinga. It's part of clearing my mind. So hindi talaga ako makapag-upload ng vlog, mga kaketchup. Oh, it's been a while. So hindi talaga ako makapag-upload because madaming changes, especially sa mga every week schedule, because yung schedules namin is nag-iiba-iba siya every week. So hindi siya palaging 7 a.m. to hindi siya laging 7 a.m. to 5. Usually, ang review namin or ang lecture namin sa isang araw is like 6 hours. Face-to-face yun, kaysa 6 hours, and then it depends on the subject. If kunyari mahaba yung subject na kailangan i-cover, some of the subject requires 2 to 3 days, like sunod-sunod siya na face-to-face, and then you need to focus on that day. So I think 6 hours every day. So sobrang occupy yung utak ko nun. So the reason what I'm filming this is I want to upload it after the board exam, the result of the board exam, because it will be held on Baguio and at November 9 and 10. It's Saturday and Sunday. I was praying for the good result because lahat naman ini-aim ang first taker. And it's part na naman na hindi ka makakapasa. Yung parang ganun, like, ready ko na yung sarili ko if papasa or hindi papasa. And, the relationship with God is mas naging strengthened. Parang si Lord ang takbuhan ko, even sa Baguio. And, ngayon, kinakabahan pa din kasi it was true na not all the subject or the topics is isa sa ulo mo, because girl, hindi ganun ka, hindi ganun kalawak ang storage ng aking brain cells. It's so very, very little long, guys. And I was praying for that good result. And if hindi naman, I pray that God will give me more strength and acceptance if ano man ang mangyari, whether it's good or bad, after the board exam. I must say na hindi talaga lahat is naisa sa ulo ko during those review days because sobrang nakaka-drain din. And for myself, I know that you give your best and you doubt yourself for about 100 times, million of times. You ask your capacity to to go in that examination, but then looking back ng first year, fourth year, second year, third year, fourth year, I know you can slate it. And if not, you're strong enough. I know you're strong enough individually. Many people are there to comfort you, and as well the Lord, because yun nga, hindi naman niya hahayaan yung isang pangyayari na mangyari because He has a plan on it. So basically, hindi ko talaga masasabi na matatanggap ko siya agad-agad because, to be honest, hindi naman for the past 4 years or even when I had my elementary, high school, senior high school days, hindi ko pa na-experience na magka-back subject. Like literally, hindi naman sa sa pagmamayabang or binabrag ko siya sa inyo, but it was true. That's why parang for me, madali lang bang sabihin na I know natatanggapin ko yan kasi yung binigay ni Lord. But on the other side of it, hindi ko alam yung feeling ng ganun. Hindi ko alam yung feeling na you are preparing something or aiming into something na you work hard for it, but then it wasn't enough. Kaya hindi para sa akin ngayon, parang napapaisip ako, baka ngayon ko lang siya nasasabi. Kasi hindi ko pa na-experiences yung ganong sitwasyon. Unlike to other people na who's been there and hindi talaga magkiklik yung mga comfort word na sasabihin mo. Because if siguro you're in the same shoes, parang maiintindihan ka talaga niya. But to the other people who give comforts, like they aim the success and you still in that situation that you're trying, or you haven't reached that thing that you are preparing. So let us see, and I always pray for that na I know naman the Lord is with me and hindi naman niya ako pababayaan. I know a lot of many people who loves me and hindi ako pababayaan na mag-drag into down if those kind of things will happen. But yeah, I hope and I pray for that first take and last take as well with my friends. Kasi hindi biro ang review session. Yeah, it was an opportunity and privilege to us to go there and to make that 5 months of review. But it was really draining, physically, mentally. You will doubt yourself 100 times, just like what I've said earlier. But then yun na lang lagi kong iniisip, that may purpose, Lord, kung bakit nandito ako, kung bakit ako nagre-review, and bakit niya ako binigyang privilege para makapag-review, and sa Baguio pa yan, diba? If my family, hindi naman nila ako let go before because I don't know, but now for the past few months they will let me to go to the Baguio just to do and take my review. And that was a privilege for me. As of now, kinakabahan ako ng suffer. Kasi I still have a lot of backlogs and may mga subjects na hindi ko matutukan or maunawaan as much as I can because mahirap intindihin, and there's a lot of hundreds of practice questions. So yeah, there's a lot of insecurities and everything through this review session. So I don't know if I'm going to upload this one because I look so terrible tonight. Yeah, as you can see. Look. You know guys that I love filming myself, and I hope I can upload it after the result of the board examination, and because it's part of a memory for my journey, that like going out into your comfort zone, that you may achieve another milestone or you may achieve another lesson to your life. And everything naman, like the achievement, or it's either achievement or failure, they both have the purpose to remind us into certain things. Kasi if masasabi mong achievement, yes, thank you Lord, it has a purpose, bakit mo nakuha yun. If mag-fail ka man sa isang bagay, it also have a purpose. Pero once na ma-disappoint ka, or like yun nga, siguro yung pait nung failure na yun, parang hindi mo siya agad maiisip. But then I must say that my faith to God was strong enough to not ask Him kung ano man yung mga bagay na hindi nagwo-work as I hindi nag-happen as I planned. So that's all for this video, because I still have a lot of things to do and to study, and yeah, I hope I can upload this to myself and to my loved ones. Thank you so much for always being at my side through the I must say that through the review session. My family is not that pressuring me, but they supported me a lot. As well to my boyfriend, to Kelly. It was a huge adjustment to each one of us, because he's having his own difficulties too in his academics, but then he's trying and I'm trying to na magkaunawaan dalawa, because yun nga, we have different time schedules, because madami nang nangyari since hindi kami same ng happening sa life lately, but then we always make time to each other. That's why I'm really grateful to him, kasi though may mga bagay na hindi nangyari as he planned, or what we planned, I'm still thankful to God for giving him my boyfriend that strength, as well to my circle of friends. So as you can see with my vlogs, Danica is with me at dorm, and Nika is si Nika is nagre-review sa Maynila. So being with Danica is a blessing too, because I have a good friend like her. And I've been with Danica staying in dormitory since we are first year at Cabanatuan at Olfu, and now in our review days I'm still with her. She's a blessing in disguise, as well Nika. Si Nika kasi yun nga, sa Manila siya aral, but then yeah, ang laki-laking adjustments, because hinahanap-hanap namin yung isa't isa. As well Darepol. Sa Darepol then he's been going through a lot, I guess, and I always pray to my friends na ibigay ni Lord yung comfort na need nila, as of now, because not all of them is being open what they are feeling right now. So ayun lang. So ang haba naman na tong pagchika-chika ko, ano. So I don't know if matatapos nyo to if I'm going to upload it. But for myself, my message to you is congratulations na agad, because I know you can make it. I know the Lord will give it to you. And to just always remind yourself yung mga bagay na na-realize mo when you achieve something, or whether you fail. It will not define you as a whole person, no matter what the result came out after this board exam result. So I know, alam mo sa sarili mo na ginawa mo yung lahat. You've been a crybaby ever since, and yung parang nung nagbagyo, you've been like, nag-adjust ka and naging matapang ka. I know you doubt yourself, but then I know that your efforts for the past years in your nursing journey academically is nagtatry ka talaga. And as well, I know you face individual difficulties individually, like your emotions, psychologically. Yeah, I know you can do it. And everything you do, just always pray and trust God. What He will give to you is, He have a purpose in that. And alam ni Lord na kaya mo siya, and alam ni Lord that you will be with Him, and you will surrender everything to Him no matter what will happen in the following days. So that's all for this video. Bye bye everyone. I have many things to study and to finish. Bye.